What's up, what's up, what's up? We are back again, and we are another thrift store find mood on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Yeah, so what'd you get this time, John?
The question should be, what didn't I get?
Yeah, that should be the question. You get some pretty cool stuff from that place.
So,
ooh, Sivak. Ooh, that's an actually nice one.
That is.
I think I might have that one.
Got the
in the package though.
Chrome label on the bottom.
No, I don't have that one. I was only dreaming. That is nice. Yeah. That's sweet.
And then in the same bag.
Ooh, what is that?
That is.
Is that Ruby Roo?
Scooby-Doo. Yep. That's
Wow. That's got to be a premium, right?
No, this one's not.
It's not?
I think it was a series release because there's no riders. But this is a Matchbox. So.
Oh, it's a Matchbox. Okay.
Yeah.
It's not like Hot Wheels owns Matchbox.
Well, Mattel owns both.
Who?
Mattel.
Who that? What did that? Oh, that's sick.
This one is nice. Flat black.
That is cool, bro. I don't care if it's fat, that's just, how it is. No body shaming here, bro.
This is
you said flat black. Oh, okay.
64 Galaxy. And a rotate in this bag. So that bag has three pretty good stuff inside. I have no clue what that is. So rotate.
Hey, Leon, brother.
And the next one, I don't know if you can see that in there. So our part 2 video had one of these Jaguars in it, so I have 2 now. Like identical.
Like a lot of Jags, huh?
Yeah. But I got it for this one.
That van is sweet, bro.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it matches the Treasure Hunt Chevelle SS, the 70 Chevelle SS.
The paint job on that is freaking beautiful, bro.
Yeah, I thought at first it was a Treasure Hunt, a super in the bag, but this
looks like
is
it
not.
could pass, yeah, but
no real riders. And
ooh, 57.
57.
I got the blue version of that.
And the last one in here.
The hell is that?
I don't know what it says. Wolverine.
Ooh.
It's a tuned. Nice. I figured you'd like that.
Sorry, I got stuck.
Okay. Well,
that is cool though. That's cool. This
is a BMW. Not a great casting. The wheels are kind of not.
They're kind of like nails.
This looks like a Maisto.
Does look like a Maisto.
Maisto puts like really weird wheels sometimes.
Yeah. Well, the premium stuff is awesome.
Yeah, when they have premium.
Yeah, exactly.
This is kind of a kitty tow truck.
Ooh, here we go. You gotta put the Chevy on the tow truck, yeah.
And I believe this is a Tomica. Yep, Tomica.
Porsche.
Porsche.
Toyota, that is what?
Porsche.
Okay.
Porsche.
Porsche. It's a Porsche E.
And because I like aviation stuff, this is also a Tomica. But it's
you like aviation?
Aircraft.
Didn't your sister used to sell aviation?
Oh, it's
all the cologne and the perfumes and all that.
That's Avon.
Oh, yeah, sweet. Same thing.
So I like these because these push back airplanes at the airport. So
those are the real tough guys, bro.
Yeah, because if you can do that, you can do a lot.
Exactly.
Cool. Where can I grab this bag to rip it? Okay, so it's a double.
Two bags.
So I believe this one on top is.
Ooh, is that a Bugatti?
No.
Is that a Gotti Boo?
The Golden Arrow?
The frick's a Golden Arrow?
I liked it because I thought it was Alfa Romeo at first.
So we're both wrong.
Yeah. Kind of weird looking car, but you know, I'm gonna keep that one. And of course the ever.
Ooh, nice. Kind of bust, but nice.
Yeah. I can repaint.
Yeah, that's a repainting candidate.
I like this one, the BMW. I think this is a Matchbox.
Yeah.
I think this was the 1M, I think. Which, I don't know why they went with 1M instead of M1, but there we go. I like the color. Matchbox. And, you know, it's not a notable, but it's a van. Yeah.
Pretty bust, man.
Very bust up. Let's go to
the dairy delivery
yeah.
right there, bro.
So, whoa.
Ooh, drop the DD.
There you go. Pretty nice, good condition.
That is.
Yeah. You know, looking through the plastic bag, it looked not that great, but
look better out.
Yeah, when you open it up, it looks pretty nice.
I like the dairy delivery casting because it just looks cool, bro. It's got that retro old look, and you know, you put some good color schemes and scalloping or flames on there.
Looks nice.
Shut your face, bro. That look awesome, man. You know what I mean?
Okay. I like this one.
Okay, fly that.
Big engine.
Ooh, what's that? Somebody's hair. Oh, nasty. I hope that wasn't pubes.
It wasn't curly.
Oh, yeah. Just smell them. See
this is the Waze Fosse. What's Fosse? I don't know.
Frank Fosse had on car.
Twin engine. Look at that.
Oh.
And I think the next one I'm going to put
You mean twin motor. Double motor.
Double motor. This is a Pony Up.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to Pony Up.
And I believe the next one's also a Matchbox.
I don't know one Pony. I give one horse, bro.
I think that's a premium too, you know.
What did I say? I give one horse, bro. Acknowledge me.
What is this? Jeep Wrangler.
What is a Zamac? Is it heavy?
I think it's a premium, you know.
Might be. It looks like a Matchbox, though.
Okay, the next one.
I see something purple in there.
I don't know why, but there's a lot of Matchboxes at Sabres the last time we went. But look at that.
Nice.
I believe this is a 9-pack exclusive from Matchbox.
That almost looks like the... No, that's a Cougar, huh?
No, this is a Mustang.
That's a Stang.
Yep. Also in that same bag is that one.
That's nice.
Yeah. Pink Challenger.
Yeah. I like the front hood scheme.
Yeah. Looks like
oh, that's cool.
Okay. And last year's star, 6-wheel Mercedes AMG. Oh, it's just rolling away.
Trying to reverse right into the Mustang, bro.
Yeah. And I believe this is also a multi-pack one.
Ooh, that is nice.
Carmen Gia.
Probably is a multi-pack because I never seen that in one single. Then again, I never see plenty stuff in one single.
And that is...
Then again, I don't know much.
The third installment.
Then again, why am I even doing this video? Because I don't know much.
All right, let's close it out.
Yeah, I'm not saying this out loud, am I? I'm just trying to keep this in my thoughts. I'm actually saying this.
Yes, you are.
Oh, crap. Okay, so thanks for watching. Always mucho mahalos. And like and subscribe. Leave us some nice comments. And there's something you want us to check out, let us know. Remember now, we're not sponsored. We don't want plenty of money now, okay? So don't get nuts. We are
Hot Wheels Collectors, Hawaii.com.
Talk to you guys next week. We out of here. Kidding.